So in this video, I'm going to share my experience of job hunting in industry, and just to give you a bit of idea about myself. I'm a PhD candidate at the University of Freiburg in Germany, and in this position I'm working with a big physics experiment, which is by big I mean the world's biggest experiment in physics, which is called Atlas experiment. It's a very big detector in Geneva, Switzerland, where this detector we collide protons, which you might know or you might not, it doesn't matter. But from the collisions of these protons, this detector, which is called the Atlas detector, records the events, production of new particles, and it saves records a gigantic amount of data, which needs to be first processed by physicists and then analyzed for measurements of different interesting physics. I will not talk about the physics analysis that we do in this video in Atlas. I will just try to introduce you what kind of skills I have learned through my PhD, and I want to share those with you. And I also want to try to kind of make an idea out of this, that how those skills can help me, or probably you, if you're working in this area or any other area, to kind of find jobs with those skills in industry. So in my position, since I was dealing with a large data set, so I mean, by large data set, I mean terabytes of data set. I needed to first, for example, process the data and then analyze it and do some statistical analysis out of them to measure some parameters and quantify uncertainties on them. So for these purposes, of course, I was mostly using Python and also C++, plus some other frameworks which are not famous in industry, which is called Root framework, which can be used, which works based on Python or C++ languages. So these are my experience of programming languages, and on top of this, I have worked with machine learning tools that we use in particle physics to do classifications, for example, classification of our signal of interest in background. For this purpose, I have used graph neural networks plus transformer models. So I mean, I have prepared the input data set, processed them, and then trained these models, and later on evaluated the performance of these models. So I have been involved also in this area, and so I have this experience, but I want to kind of make my way from academia to industry. So I need to understand how these skills can help me to find or hunt a job in industry. So the time now that I'm making this video, it's actually a very critical time for me, since I'm taking a big step to move to industry, and I don't know anything about industry yet, except for a few discussions and conversations that I had with two people that one of them were trying to apply for a new job in industry, and he hasn't been successful yet, and the other one who has been successful, and he moved from academia, from physics, after doing his PhD, to industry, and I have some ideas from them, and otherwise I don't have anything else. And I will be very happy if you guys can comment on my video and help me understand more how to move on and hunt a job in industry with these skills. Okay, So today I opened my LinkedIn, and I heard from these two people that LinkedIn is a good platform actually, that to see the job postings by industry. And I just opened my LinkedIn, and I went through these job positions, job postings here, and then I came across this job posting, which is the senior data scientist in Stuttgart, Germany. And I just looked through the job description, and then I came across these responsibilities as a data scientist in this company. So, you know, uh, I don't know about you guys, but when I came across these responsibilities, for example, produce data cleaning, basic analysis, and preparation for visualization, develop dashboard, and data processing and integration, quality checks and assurance, and so on. So I came across these terms, and since I have already been involved a lot with data cleaning and analyzing and so on, but there are some terms in these bullet points that I'm not really familiar with. For example, this dashboard creation or development of it, and on, for example, Power BI. These are the skills that I am not familiar with, or I don't understand them. So what I did, and also just to mention that there are some things that I have done it, but I'm not sure how in industry these things are done. For example, data cleaning. I'm not sure what kind of data cleaning they're gonna do, or they're gonna need me to do. So therefore, in order to kind of make my path to industry, I have copied, or I have just focused on these bullet points, and try to understand them first, and also have some practical experience in each of these tasks or responsibilities. So I have copied these in my note, and my idea is to kind of learn them and have practical experience in these tasks. And I think maybe I'm wrong at this point because I don't have so much experience. And if you have, please share it with me. It might be that as a data scientist, these are these tasks are generally true for any data scientist role in any company. So if I learn them, they will already give me quite a lot of possibilities, opportunities to apply and be successful probably in some of my applications. So I will. My plan is to first, for example, I have here noted the data cleaning, to learn it practically, and for this, of course, we need to use the tools that we have. I mean, the technology that we have now, the AI. For example, ChatGPT. I have asked ChatGPT to please give me some idea how I can learn more practically data cleaning in industry. And also, I don't have any idea about dashboards, and probably some other things like Power BI. Also, I need to note it. So these are the things that I have noted to learn before my interview and so on. But I've already prepared my CV, and there I have put all these skills. Like, I have put that I understand everything Power BI, that I told you already that I don't know it. But one of the tips that I got from my discussions with two colleagues was to fake it and then make it. So I put it in my CV, but my plan is to learn these things in a few by following a few courses. Most probably I will. I prefer to follow free courses without any certifications, but in case some of the tools are really crucial for a company and they ask for the certification, then I will try to also do certifications. Otherwise, I will stick with free courses. So this is my plan so far. I will try to make my CV, apply for some positions, and also, as I mentioned, I will try to learn these skills that I don't know. And of course, this is a journey that I have recently started, and through this journey I will learn, I will gain more experience, and in this YouTube channel I will share them. And if you have any comments on my whatever I mentioned in this video, or if you have any other tips, I will be very happy to have your comments on this video, to learn, and also be able to hunt a job, which is very important for me, just to mention at this point, in Germany. So thank you guys for watching the video. Please don't forget to, if you like the video, please like it, and probably for more videos in future that I'm going to take this, and I will probably in this channel I will add more videos on different topics, not just the hunting jobs, experience in hunting jobs, but probably other stuff. So please do subscribe my channel and stay tuned for future videos. Thank you. Bye bye.